Welcome back to the Urban Homestead. Today I'm going to show you how to use rose petals in a super simple recipe. I was really excited back in May when the roses started blooming, and I knew that I had to find a use for the petals because they're edible. So I made a couple of preserves and also some rose honey with the rose petals, and in this video I'll show you how to make the rose honey. So first off, I'm collecting rose petals from my flowers, which are looking a bit sad. At this stage, they basically fall off the flowers as soon as you tap them. So give the rose petals a good wash, fill up a bowl with water and submerge the petals in them, and then dry them out on a tea towel. You want to get rid of any rose petals that are looking sad or have holes in them, and you also want to get rid of any that have too much white, as those parts won't taste nice. Look out for bugs as well. I've had a lot of aphids around my roses, so I'm seeing a couple of those on these petals. So yeah, just make sure you wash those off. Once you've got all your rose petals ready, just lay them out on the tea towel and then fold up the tea towel to get off the extra water. Grab a clean jar and then pour in some honey. I'm just using the supermarket's own brand, but you can use more special honey if you would like. And then it's just a question of adding in the rose petals, ripping them up if you like randomly, and then stir them all together. You need to make sure the petals are submerged in honey, but other than that you can add as many as you like, and then set the honey aside for a week or so for the flavours to develop. After that you can start using it. Try drizzling this over cakes or waffles and pancakes, or you can even use it in savoury dishes for marinades for meat and so on. And you can eat the rose petals as well. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.